Last October, the entire school took part in a survey called Panorama. Panorama is a survey that takes your thoughts and opinions over different aspects of life at SAS, like diversity and inclusion, cultural awareness, engagement, teacher-student relationships, school safety, and it aggregates it and it gives us a good idea of what you guys feel about the school or maybe what you're experiencing. One of the aspects of the survey that we found as a middle school that we really need to be working on is sense of belonging. So before we actually get talking about what we need to do in order to work on it or improve it or things that we just need to see, we are going to look at the results from the survey that you guys took. Your teacher will be logging in to Panorama, but also I've included screenshots that you guys can look to discuss and compare. When you look at the results, it's important to think about what are you seeing. It's important to see what you notice, also anything that can surprise you. And something that's quite interesting is to notice the difference between 6th grade results or answers all the way to what 8th graders shared. If you would like to learn more about how different communities answered, you can break them down by demographics, and your teacher can do that for you. It's a great way to start to have these discussions because once we can take this data and work with it, it becomes a lot more personal and meaningful. It's important that you guys are part of the conversation around how we can make SAS better, especially around sense of belonging. We teachers and your admin and the school overall can make a lot of changes, but in the end, if it's not authentic and you guys don't understand A, why it's happening, and B, what's really gonna work for you, then it's probably not gonna work at all. As you look over the results, it's really good to have conversations about wonderings or things that you may agree with or not disagree with, and just share them out loud. Remember, your advisory is a place where it's just kind of open and trusting.